dear, welcome to math class. Our title is Algebraic, Composite and Consecutive Fractions, Part 2. In previous lesson we discussed about the composite and consecutive fractions. Now continuing the previous lessons, I want to give you one or two more examples of the composite and consecutive fractions. Example: a plus b over a minus b minus a minus b over a plus b over, this line is the main line of the fractions, and these fractions are the numerator fractions, and down the bottom is the denominator fractions. Over a plus b over a minus b plus a minus b over a plus b. Now we solve the numerator separate and the denominator separate. For the numerator, the common denominator is a minus b times a plus b is equal to a squared, or a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2. Now a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 divided by the first denominator is a minus b, it becomes a plus b. A plus b times a plus b is equal to a plus b to the power of 2 minus, this is minus sign or negative sign, a square minus b square divided by a plus b become a minus b. A minus b times a minus b is a minus b to the power of 2, or a minus b square. Now we solve for the denominator. A minus b times a plus b is equal to a square minus b square a square minus b square divided by a minus b become a plus b. A plus b times a plus b is equal to a plus b to the power of 2, or a plus b square plus a minus b, a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 divided by a plus b is equal to a minus b. A minus b times a minus b is equal to a minus b to the power of 2, or a minus b square. Now this is equal to, what we do, we simplify the numerator a to the power of a plus b to the power of 2 is equal to a to the power of 2 plus 2ab plus b to the power of 2. And the second one is a minus b all to the power of 2 is equal to a to the power of 2 minus 2ab plus 2ab, but there is negative sign. We multiply negative with all of those terms, so that is equal to minus a to the power of 2. Second one is negative, negative sign negative is positive 2ab and negative b to the power of 2 over a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2. Now we simplify this one. A plus b to the power of 2 is equal to a to the power of 2 plus 2ab plus b to the power of 2, and here become a to the power of 2 minus 2ab plus b to the power of 2b. Because the outside is positive sign, if you multiply the positive with inside the parenthesis, there is no changing. We should write directly that result is equal to plus a to the power of 2 minus 2ab plus b to the power of 2. Over a to the power of 2, this one, minus b to the power of 2. Now we simplify the numerator of the numerator with the numerator of the denominator. This is equal to a to the power of 2 cancel with the negative a to the power of 2 and positive b to the power of 2 with the negative b to the power of 2. What is remaining? 2ab and 2ab. 2ab plus 2ab is equal to 4ab over a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 over, now here negative positive 2ab cancel with the negative 2ab, remaining a to the power of 2 and a to the power of 2 to a to the power of 2, and also b to the power of 2 and b to the power of 2 is 2ab to the power of 2, b to the power of 2. We can write 2 outside, common with them, 2a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 over a to the power of 2 or a square minus b square, and this is equal to, now we divide this one. For division, what we do, we write the numerator, the first one in its position like 4ab over a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2. The division sign change to multiplication. Now the denominator come to numerator, numerator to denominator, reverse it. A to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 over 2 times a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2. Here 1 2 2 2 4 and a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 cancel a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, and the numerator the remaining 2ab and denominator here cancel with this one, only one. Here's 1 times a to the power of 2 and b to the power of 2 is equal to a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2. This is the final result or the final answer for this problem. I hope this should be obvious or clear for you. Okay. Now I solve another example for you. Example simplify a over a minus 1 over a minus a over 1 plus a. Okay, for this kind of fraction, you see, this is the main fraction line. A is the numerator, and all of these stuff are the denominator. And for this one, now this is denominator and this one denominator. And this kind of problems, what we do, we start from the bottom and go toward the top. And we start simplification from the bottom. What we do, but the numerator is already simplified. Yes, this is a. We write a over a minus 1 over a over 1, because any number or any letter that they don't have the denominator, their denominator is 1. Any number divided by 1 itself. A over 1 minus a over 1 plus a. Now what we do, we find the common denominator for this one. We write a over a minus 1 for this one. Common denominator is 1 plus a times 1 is equal to 1 plus a. 1 plus a. 1 plus a divided by 1 is 1 plus a. 1 plus a times a is equal to a times 1 is a plus a times a is a to the power of 2 minus This one divided by 1 is, what is denominator is 1 times a is a. Now this is equal to a over a minus 1 over a, positive a cancel with the negative a, is a to the power of 2 over 1 plus a. Now we know that here is 1 and the numerator for 1 is 1 over 1, and this is equal to a over a minus 1 over 1 times 1 plus a over what we do, for the denominator, the denominator becomes numerator and the numerator becomes denominator, and the division change to multiplication, and the numerator become a to the power of 2. This is the multiplication sign. Now this one is equal to a over a minus 1 plus a over a to the power of 2, and this is equal to a over the numerator of a is 1, 1 times a to the power of 2, a to the power of 2 is the common denominator, a to the power of 2 divided by 1 is a to the power of 2, a to the power of 2 times a to the power of 1 become a to the power of 3, and a to the power of 2 divided by a to the power of 2 is equal to 1 times 1 minus a is 1 minus a, but this negative sign is multiplied with both of them, so this becomes minus 1 minus a, and now this is equal to the numerator of a is 1 a over 1. This is divided by this one, but it changed to multiplication, is equal to a to the power of 2 over, now what we do, we organize this one as a decreasing powers, like a to the power of 3 minus a minus 1, and this one is equal to a times a to the power of 2 is a to the power of 3 over 1 times this one is become a to the power of 3 minus a to the power of 3 minus a minus 1. This one is the final answer for the question or for the problem. A to the power of 3 over a to the power of 3 minus a minus 1. I think this is enough for the consecutive and composite fractions. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your family and friends. And please press the notification bell to get notified for more videos. Have a wonderful days and nights. Bye bye.